Hi y'all, we're getting ready to do this cake, and if you can see here, I have my bowl, and in my mixing bowl here, let me let you get into the bowl and see what I have here. If you can see that, I have 3 sticks of pure butter and 3 cups of sugar, and I have the 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and I am going to mix this in here. I want you to see this a little bit. I'm mixing these 3 ingredients right now, and I will scrape the bowl. Let's turn it up a little, and in the process, I will show you how you scrape the bowl, the sides of the bowl. I have the spatula here, and I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl like so to get all of this so it can get well incorporated in the mixture here. Okay, now I am going to let this beat for about 3 minutes, and after the 3 minutes, I have the eggs here in the bowl. Hopefully you can see the eggs. I have 6 eggs in this bowl here, and I'm going to add the eggs one at a time and beating well after each egg. After I do that and mix that all up, I have my extracts that I will be putting in. This is the butter extract. 1 teaspoon will go in, and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract will go in, and 1 teaspoon of the almond extract will go in. After I have put in my 6 eggs, and I will beat, after each egg, I will beat it well. Then I will come back and show you what I'm doing next. Okay, I'm ready to go in with my eggs. I have 6 eggs in the bowl, and I am going to put 1 egg at a time in the bowl, in the mixing bowl. And I will beat after each egg. I'll beat well, and I will do that for all 6 eggs. I'll put 1 in at a time and then beat it well. I'll scrape the bowl down like you saw me do, and when I'm done with that, I'll put in my my extracts, and then I'll go in with my flour a little bit at a time, beating in between the times. And let me show you here. Let me just turn this off for a second. I have 3 cups of Swan's Down cake flour, and I have sifted this. So when I'm done putting everything else in, I'll go in with my flour, and I'll come right back. Okay, I have my flour sifted, and I've put a little bit in the mixing bowl, and I'm going to start it and start off slowly so it won't have the flour spilled everywhere. So as it mixes, then I'll speed up the mixer because I didn't put the guard on top of the bowl. That's my oven. It's set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit so I can put my cake in. This is the bundt pan that I will be using, and I will be spraying it with Baker's Joy. So I'm going to speed this up a bit, and I'll scrape my bowl down, and I have this much left. This is 1.5 cups, and I'll incorporate what I have in there. Then I'll add this little bit. Then I'll measure out another 1.5 cups, which will equal my 3 cups, and I'll come right back in.